Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply lipstick to your videos using CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just select the video where you would like to apply lipstick, then go to retouch, then select face, and in the face menu you are going to have to tap on the makeup option, then select lipstick, which is going to be the fifth option. And in this menu, you just have to select from all these options. As you can see, there are multiple that you can choose and apply to your video. There are multiple colors and multiple shades. And then you can just use the slider to increase the intensity. Obviously, if you go 100%, it's going to be quite unnatural. But if you go lower, it can be quite natural and your viewers wouldn't be able to tell if it's a real lipstick or not. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation and see you in the next one.